Hello and welcome to Mostly Vintage Cameras. This is a Minox AL Canon AE1 program, Franca Solidaire 1 Voigtlander Vito C. With that said, let's take a closer look. So let's go ahead and put some batteries in this camera, the AFT. So there's a battery cover here. And we've got a choice of batteries in actual fact. I'm not a big fan of alkaline cells in cameras, and I'm going to put in the alternative battery, which is the CRP2 or 223A 6-volt lithium cell. But before we go too far into this, let's take a look at an earlier camera. And Kodak heavily, and some might say cynically, advertised the VPK as the soldier's camera. Let's take a look at some photographs. Anyway, I hope this video has been of interest or use. Thank you for watching. I do appreciate it.